Hello, everyone. Welcome to the News Browse News broadcast. Prime Minister Mark Carney made an enthusiastic visit to the Montreal Canadiens dressing room on Thursday, April 9, 2026, following their thrilling 2-1 victory over the Tampa Bay Lightning. Carney, who was in Montreal for a Liberal Party convention, attended the game and was visibly excited, jumping up and hugging spectators when Cole Caulfield scored his 50th goal and high-fiving fans after Juraj Slafkovsky's winning goal. He told players he hadn't had that much fun in over a year. Carney, a lifelong Edmonton Oilers fan, even wore two different Canadiens hats. He met with Captain Nick Suzuki, Alex Newhook, Jake Evans, and Mike Matheson, and briefly discussed leadership with head coach Martin St. Louis. This report is from the Canadian Press. Maya Gebala, a 12-year-old victim of a mass school shooting in Tumbler Ridge, BC, is being transferred to Los Angeles for specialized rehabilitation. Her mother, Taya Edmonds, confirmed in a Facebook post. Gebala, who sustained a gunshot wound to the head, has been moved out of intensive care at BC Children's Hospital in Vancouver and is described as seemingly stable. The Canadian Press reports that Ultimate Fighting Championship president Dana White previously offered to cover the costs for Maya's treatment at a top-tier hospital in California. Edmonds expressed her hope that Maya would find peace and love and not be confined to a body that won't work through an aggressive approach to privatized health care in Los Angeles. Edmonds stated that a new chapter starts soon, which they welcome. Newswire.ca reports that Ceva Animal Health, the world's fifth-largest animal health company, has announced the appointment of Sébastien Huron as Deputy Chief Executive Officer effective April 10, 2026. This move is part of a broader governance evolution, with Mark Carney transitioning to Executive Chairman. In his new role, Carney will oversee long-term strategic priorities, investor relations, customer-focused innovation, and leadership development, while Huron will steer the group's operational management and chair the executive committee. Sébastien Huron brings over 30 years of global experience in the animal health sector, having held leadership positions at Mars Inc., Roussel, Isclof, Hus Roussel Vet, Intervet, and most recently, serving as CEO of Virbac from 2017 to 2024, where he led a period of record organic growth. He is recognized for his collaborative leadership and multicultural vision. This dual leadership structure aims to reinforce both strategic focus and operational excellence for Ceva Animal Health. CTV News reports on Gurmo Gill, a toddler in Surrey, BC, diagnosed with spastic paraplegia 4, SPG4, a rare neurodegenerative disease that could lead to severe mobility loss and cognitive decline. Researchers at McGill University have developed a gene therapy treatment ready for clinical trials, but require up to $8 million in funding to proceed. This case underscores a significant inequality in healthcare, as provincial governments struggle with deficits, leaving such cutting-edge tailor-made treatments largely inaccessible. Pharmaceutical companies, driven by profit, often neglect conditions affecting smaller populations. Gurmo's parents have launched a crowdfunding campaign, hoping government support will follow. Dr. Massimo Pandolfo, a McGill researcher, emphasizes the need for public control to prevent astronomically high prices, noting that untreated patients will eventually incur higher public health care costs due to their debilitating conditions. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.